There's Elvis. And then you can see Cinder. Look how beautiful he is. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Wait, hang on, hang on. There's Cinder. He's so friendly. Come on, Cinder. Look how beautiful he is. There's the wedding dove. And then there's the guineas. So free-flying pheasants, if they are tame enough, you can let them free fly and stuff and they will come back. They have to be tamed. Like, if they're flighty, no, they'll never come back. But if they're tame, yeah, you can train them. You need a really nasty guard dog, though. Oh, here's my pet rooster, Elvis. Come on, here. Elvis, Elvis. Elvis, here. Come. Elvis, don't be scared of the dog. He's afraid of the dog. Come on, Elvis, it's okay. Elvis. Elvis, come on. Come on, guys. Look at how beautiful he is. Oh my God. So gorgeous. And he's so friendly. They're afraid right now just because of the dog. But she's a beast. She'll protect them from coyotes and anything. You see her ear is broken? That's from fighting. I could do a video actually on how to keep these guys safe, because predators will get them no matter what. Nothing can stop the predator. You need like serious protection, like a dog, because nothing else will work. Emus won't work, llamas don't work. And you can't just get any dog. It has to be a really extreme dog. If you're in Canada, you need something like, she's an import and she's got a police title. She's done personal protection, everything. Like, she cost almost $10,000. But if not her, you have like a Great Pyrenees. I've had that before and they can't take on 3 or 4 coyotes like this. So a Polish rooster and the little tiny beautiful golden pheasant, they're best friends. I've never seen a relationship this close between different species. Like, they're always together, they roost together, everything together. Eat together, drink together, hunt together. These two are best friends, like they're always together non-stop. Polish rooster and a golden pheasant. They're both males.